Hi, welcome to my learning space. In this video, I'll show you how to log in and get started. First, open your browser and go to learn.myls.ai. Click the Join for Free button. If you sign up with the Google email, just click Login with Google and select your account. If you use another email, type your email here. Click Forgot Password. You'll receive a verification code in your inbox. Enter that code and click Verify Now. Once verified, you'll be able to set your new password and then log in. For this demo, I'll be using my Google account. This way, I don't need to input any username or password. And just like that, I'm logged in. Now let's take a look at your profile page. On the bottom left, click your name. This will open your bio page. Here, please make sure that you fill out your phone number. If you like, you can also add one of your parents' phone number here. Keep in mind that this could be a Canadian phone number or a Chinese number. This way, both numbers can receive important updates like lesson bookings and reminders. Also, make sure that you fill in your school name and your current grade so that we can better tailor your learning experience. That's it, you're all set to go.